9 foods that can help you maintain stronger erections and stay erect. Is it feasible that certain meals might help you stay erect when suffering from erectile dysfunction? According to current data, erectile dysfunction, ED, affects over 1/3 of all men, making it the most frequent sexual problem among males. While there are various drugs available to assist men get and maintain greater erections, there are also some foods that may help men achieve and maintain stronger erections. Because the mechanisms involved in penile enlargement are both psychological and physical, food can aid increase erections. When a guy has an erection, his mind and body go through the following processes. Number 1, he gets stimulated mentally and physically, causing the brain to send messages to the nerves in and around the penis. Number 2, the nerve impulses relax the muscles of the corpora cavernosa. The muscles around the shaft and head of the penis are included in the corpora cavernosa. It's simpler for blood to flow in when they're calm. Number 3, after then, blood fills the gaps inside the penis, allowing it to expand and get erect. Number 4, the blood is trapped inside the penis by the tunica albuginea, a membrane that wraps around the corpora cavernosa. This keeps the penis erect. Although the relaxation of the smooth muscles of the penis begins with nerve impulses, nitric oxide plays an important function. Nitric oxide regulates blood flow and smooth muscle tone, including that found in the penis. As a result, all of the meals in this list provide at least one of the following benefits. 1. Increase blood flow. 2. Are nitric oxide containing. 4. Arginine, a precursor of nitric oxide, is present. Here are some foods that can help you stay erect and support a medically sound erectile dysfunction treatment. Number 1. Watermelon. Citrulline, another precursor of nitric acid, is found in watermelon. It is an excellent erection meal because it dilates and relaxes the blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more easily into the penis. Watermelon, like cucumber, bitter melons, and gourds, contains citrulline, which makes it similar to other nutrients for penis health. Number 2. Spinach and other leafy greens. Spinach has a lot of nitric oxide, which, like other hard erection meals, helps the arteries expand and fill up with blood. A research discovered that serving spinach in a soup with onions, low-sodium chicken broth, and black pepper dramatically decreased participants' nitrate levels while only adding 94 calories to their diet. The nitrates in spinach and other green, leafy foods for erection, such as kale and arugula, benefit your complete vascular system, not just your penis. Number 3. Coffee. Coffee is another food that promotes penis development. It has less than 5 calories, at least until you add sugar and cream, making it one of the lightest meals that aid with erectile dysfunction. A research discovered that males who drank between 170 and 375 milligrams mg of caffeine per day, or around 2-3 cups, had decreased incidences of erectile dysfunction. Caffeine is a good penile meal because it relaxes the smooth muscles of the penis, allowing blood to fill it up. Number 4. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is a top food for strong erections because it contains flavonoids, which help blood flow through the body. However, because dark chocolate is frequently heavy in sugar and fat, consuming too much of it might induce weight gain. With 155 calories and 9 grams of fat per ounce, dark chocolate may not be the healthiest choice among vital foods to support an erection. Number 5. Salmon. Because it is high in vitamin D, salmon is one of the finest meals to help you become erect. Sunlight accounts for over 80% of vitamin D, so if you can't get outside as often as you'd like, some salmon can help you receive what you need. Endothelial dysfunction, which occurs when your arteries, blood vessels, and organs are unable to effectively circulate blood, has been linked to vitamin D. Vitamin D supplementation may be especially essential in locations with many gloomy days or lengthy winters. Vitamin D levels in England and its UK neighbours are 50% greater at the end of summer than at the end of winter. Eating salmon in these regions may provide your body with the nutrients it requires to achieve and maintain a powerful erection. Number 6. Pistachios. Pistachios are high in arginine, making them ideal for people looking for food to aid with penis growth. The arginine stimulates the synthesis of nitric oxide, which aids in the regulation of blood flow to the penis and other regions of the body. Number 7. Almonds, walnuts, and other nuts. Almonds, walnuts, and a variety of other nuts are high in high-density lipoprotein, HDL, sometimes known as good cholesterol. Bad cholesterol is absorbed by good cholesterol and carried back to the liver. When bad cholesterol becomes lodged in your arteries and blood vessels, it restricts blood flow to your organs, including the penis. Eating walnuts, almonds, and other nuts provides your body with the nutrients it requires to transport bad cholesterol to your liver, where it is broken down and excreted as waste. Number 8. Oranges and blueberries. Although oranges and blueberries appear to have nothing in common with dark chocolate, they do have one key feature in common. They are high in flavonoids. As a result, they are one of the finest meals for erectile dysfunction. Flavonoids increase blood flow, allowing the penis to become engorged following stimulation. An Oxford University research discovered that flavonoid-rich meals lowered the likelihood of erectile dysfunction by 9–11%. Number 9. Spicy, hot foods. Because hot peppers contain capsaicin, a little spicy sauce or a habanero on the side may aid in obtaining an erection. Men who ate more spicy meals had greater testosterone levels, according to French researchers. Other studies have discovered a link between low testosterone symptoms in males and how easy it is to acquire and keep an erection. If you have ED, you should eat a lot of the items listed above. When you've been excited, they might make it simpler for your body to get blood to your penis. They may also improve the rest of your circulatory system and organs, leading to a better lifestyle overall.